Hetepu. Peace and blessings to all from Divine Peace, Meditation and Yoga. Baba Sekou and Mama Imani sitting out on the front porch on a holistic Sunday. It's about 7:20 a.m. I'm just taking a moment to meditate while it's quiet before the neighbors come out talking and thumping their music. Just listen to the bird song and enjoy the sunlight before it gets too hot. Although sitting in direct sunlight makes you squint and sweat a bit. Just take a moment and let's celebrate all of the beautiful growth and the new seedlings. The bramble, although it's been hot, it's not putting out, it hasn't put out any new berries. But I've been watching it, sprinkling red pepper flakes on it. I snipped the seeds off of the parsley plants and letting them grow more. They're still at it. Our grow bag of hummingbird and butterfly wildflower seed mix has started to flower. Let's get a close up. Starting to put out flowers instead of just greenery. The strawberries peeking out. Every time we have taste tested the strawberries, Baba Sekou is the chief taster. They have been a bit tart, not as sweet as we used to from past days. And the ones that we've been getting out of the grocery store haven't been that sweet either. Perhaps they also are picking too early. Over here, the lavender is looking lovely. The two mint plants, they went into the wading pool raised bed to protect the squash plants. And we have some new plants, some new seeds that I've started. Let's see. Sage, the last of the chives, spearmint, and just for an experiment, two of these little ones, pumpkin seeds. And my sister, Andrea, peace and blessings upon her, rest in peace and power. She is sorely missed, and so I planted some red scarlet flame giant double zinnias in this pot for her, and this little one for Camille, who we are missing. She's really wowing them in her new job up in Richmond. And let's see what's in this one. this one. Another experiment. Watermelon seeds went in here, as well as in the wading pool raised bed. In our, let's bring you over here. In our mini greenhouses, we've got more spearmint. These two large containers, spearmint seeds. And in this one, we have more sage. I'm starting the sage, hoping that it sprouts up so that I can plant it in the wading pool raised bed and protect our straight neck and crooked neck squash plants. Thank you so much for watching till the end of this video. Please give it a like and leave us some inspiring, some encouraging comments. We need so much encouragement here in Lambert's Point. And subscribe to our channels if Spirit moves you to do so. So, Mer Aa, much love. May your holistic Sunday be safe and healthy and full of blessings and abundance. Blessed be.